All right, so let's just remove up that edge again. You're right under. He's got a little fungus on that side too, so it makes it a little thicker. All right.
Okay, so I gotta ask you, are you watching, not watching?
I usually, when I have these operations, I don't pay any attention.
You don't pay
That's
attention.
like when I go to the gym, I just close
Right.
my eyes.
I always keep this here because it covers and blocks what they can see.
I don't pay attention.
All
As long
right.
as it doesn't hurt, I'm happy.
That's a big one in there.
That's probably why it hurt.
All right, everybody want to see?
Wow,
Look at that.
that is impressive.
That was in my toe?
Yes.
Wow.
Where else did you think I got it from?
I don't know.
Mm-hmm. When do they need to come in?
Well, the way I look at it, nothing in there, is if your toenail hurts, then you have an ingrown toenail. Your toenail should never
Hey.
hurt. I mean, do you have pain on your fingernails ever? No,
Total
not unless
pain.
you. So it just hurts. It can be a little or a lot, but typically the little is whenever it's really starting to kind of penetrate into the skin. And that's really whenever you're at risk for developing an infection. I always tell everybody our feet are filthy. You know, you're bound to get an infection if you don't take it care of. Don't get it taken care of, or if you're digging in there yourself, guaranteed infection.
So are there any particular kinds of shoes that cause more ingrown toenails than others?
Well, maybe something like a pointy-toed shoe, or I mean, I really like rounded toes on my dress shoes, or even a square. Square is best, but anything that's too tight, and when people get bunions and things like that, they're just squeezing their foot in like, Cinderella's wicked stepsisters, that kind of shoe.
Steel toe boots.
Steel toe, yes, if they're not fitted properly. And everybody's foot kind of changes every year. So you've got to make sure that you've got the proper size. So before definitely doing a steel toe, make sure you measure your feet. Because your shoe or your foot may have grown in size and you're not aware of it. Alrighty.
That's beautiful.
And another ingrown toenail. Ta-da!
Dr. Frill did an excellent job.
Ah.